If you look at the natural world, there's conflict, obviously. But in most cases, the conflict that you have in the natural world almost never leads to lethality. And it's almost always in some way ritually regulated. So there are rules as to how animals engage each other. And very often, even before there's any kind of direct engagement, there's some kind of ritual display of some sort or another. And that ritual display not only serves to regulate what might become a direct conflict, but oftentimes it serves to forestall the conflict. There ends up not being a conflict because through the signal somebody figures out this ain't a good time to fight. So if you look at the natural world and the way it tries to regulate conflict, there's a mechanism. And we can tap into that mechanism. We can use that mechanism to try to achieve similar sorts of ends, I think, which is trying to regulate conflict, maybe even circumvent conflict. If you look at traditional societies, you see the same pattern. Obviously they have conflicts, they have disagreements and disputes, but they have these ritualized mechanisms for trying to make sure that the dispute is handled within certain boundaries and that it doesn't get out of control and that there's some kind of conclusion to the dispute that allows the community to continue to function. So I think that looking at how ritual is used in the natural world, how it's been used in our evolutionary past, how traditional societies use it, and then trying to find ways of implementing that in current conflicts, I think that could potentially be a good source of information, and it's something that in many ways should be natural to humans and hopefully can have effectiveness in trying to make sure that we reduce conflicts or even avoid conflicts.